Diabetes tips and tricks for a healthier life. With today's technological advancements, not only are people pushing toward a cure for diabetes, but information on how those inflicted with the disease can control it, is readily available via places like the internet. Don't take these types of videos for granted. Use the tips provided here to your advantage. If you have diabetes and also happen to have a sweet tooth, then do not despair. Many of the candies and treats that you enjoy so much have sugar-free alternatives on the market. This way you can satisfy your cravings without sacrificing or putting your health at great risk. Make sure to keep active. Exercising and doing physical activities have several benefits. It can lower your blood sugar and help you lose weight. Not only that, it can increase your responsiveness to insulin, which will help keep your blood sugar level. Both aerobic and resistance exercises provide excellent benefits. If you have recently found out that you have diabetes, you may want to see a nutritionist. There are certain foods that a diabetic should and should not be eating. A nutritionist can give you a diet plan to follow and tell you where you can purchase these special foods. Use resources like the internet to find diabetic recipes. Many diabetics get frustrated because they cannot find recipes for meals that are diabetic friendly. There are many substitutions to foods that taste just as good as the original, including sugar-free chocolates, healthy kinds of pasta, sugar-free ice creams and cakes. Many people will tell you that natural sugars are safer for your diabetes than refined sugar. However, sugar is still sugar. My stepmother told me I should put honey on my food as it's perfectly fine. Wrong? My blood sugar still spiked sky high afterward. Always double check the medical advice you receive from family and friends when it comes to your diabetes. To make sure your family understands your needs, take the time to explain diabetes to them. Discussing your condition with them will give them valuable knowledge they can use to help you in a crisis. It will also make them aware of things they can do to help. You may even find that talking about your diabetes is very cathartic. Videos full of tips like the one you've just read are your most powerful tool. Insulin can help you regulate your blood glucose levels, but proper information on how to change your lifestyle can ensure that diabetes remains a minor annoyance and not a life-threatening disease. Use this information to guide you. Discover how 93% reverse type 2 diabetes with this odd diet hack. Visit secretdiabeteshack.com. Learn how a dying grandpa was saved from diabetes by his grandson. Visit secretdiabeteshack.com. Breaking news. Uncover how a new root cause of diabetes that was discovered by scientists. Visit secretdiabeteshack.com to learn all of this, and more. Link in the description.